Most people work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. In the United States, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. Today, we're revealing the 3 rules of smart money that will change your life forever. Rule number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. It's the simplest way to manage your paycheck. 50% goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and most importantly, 20% goes straight into savings and investments. Rule number 2, prioritize assets over liabilities. Stop buying things that take money out of your pocket, like expensive cars or clothes you don't need. Instead, start buying assets like stocks or real estate that put money back into your pocket. That's how the top 1% stays at the top. And finally, rule number 3, start early. The power of compound interest is your best friend. Even $50 a month can turn into a fortune over time. If you're ready to master your finances and build real wealth, hit the subscribe button for Smart Money USA. Let's grow together.